What's the most famous flex in human history? Plenty of options here. The moon landing comes to mind. But for me, the biggest flex, if flex means showing off your valuables in a non-humble way, was when American Commodore Matthew Perry steamed into Edo Bay in July of 1853. Back then, Japan was about 250 years into their policy of Sakoku, or locked country, where no one was allowed in or out of Japan. The one port where Japan did trade with the West was an island called Deshima in Nagasaki Bay, but this was limited to only Dutch merchants and only a few times a year. So Perry steams into Edo Bay in 1853 with the purpose of commanding fear. To do that, he ordered all 73 of his cannons to fire blanks as they crossed the bay, blah, 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 blah. Then he gave the Japanese 2 white flags and told them if the shogun chose combat, they could use these flags to let him know when to stop firing his 73 cannons at them. The results of Commodore Perry's flex? The shogun actually died 2 days later of natural causes, and Japan began trading with the United States, which led Japan to rapidly modernize and industrialize for the first time in 250 years.